Hello everybody. We are obviously very excited to be here. Today we are going to be unboxing our April Ipsy bag. And if you don't know what Ipsy is a $12 a month subscription. You fill out a profile, they will personalize a bag of makeup and skincare items and obviously send it to you. So go ahead and pop her on open.
Oh, I like the bag. It's so cute.
It is actually, oh, we've got a weird shadow going on. Sorry about that, guys. That is actually one of the best bags I think that we have gotten. I think it is really cute. I love this little wooden zip pull. I love this bag. All right. Oh, and then this was in there too. Okay, so I have to explain myself. Ipsy has a point system where if you review the items that they send to you, you can use your points to redeem on items. And they have this Thrive mascara in there, so I redeem my points on this. Now, if you guys have perhaps seen some of my other videos, you may know that I tried this before and I actually didn't like it. But I used my points on it because I wanted to give another chance. It's one of those mascaras that everyone loves so much, it made me think, was I just, you know, having a bad day? So I'm willing to try this again. So I won't be trying this in the video today because I have other open mascaras so I don't like to have too many mascaras open, but I will eventually retry this and let you know if I still hate it. But okay, to the bag. First, we have the little card that comes in it. April's theme is full bloom. And then if you open the card, it has all the information about the items on it. So let's see how will not look. Sakura gets to pull things out. I like to be surprised.
Skin blush.
Skin blush.
Skin blush.
Oh gosh. Yep, it's from Kaleido Causemetics. This is skin blush. Now there is another brand called Kaleidos Makeup, and then there's this brand called Kaleido Cosmetics, and they are two separate companies, just in case anyone gets confused. I want to see.
There's other things
This
in
looks
here.
like a full-size blush, you guys. That is so exciting. It's always really exciting to get full-sized products in the Ipsy bags. A lot of times it's sample sizes. Okay, so here's how it looks. Let's open her up. Ooh, it's nice. It has a little mirror in it. I have found that I tend to really, isn't it cute? I tend to like little mirrors and things like this for traveling. Let's swatch it. Okay, look at that color.
You swatch it. I
You don't want
like,
to swatch it?
I don't like skin blush.
You don't want to swatch the blush?
It probably has skin in it.
No, it's just blush for your skin. Oh, see? Oh, pretty. I'm looking forward to trying that out. Okay, so we've got a full-size blush.
We got a gloss.
Yes! Oh, it's so pretty! Who's it from?
It is from...
It's from Seraphine Botanicals, and the name of the product is called Berry Plus Juice 100% vegan lip gel. What a pretty box. I'm so excited. And this also looks like a full size.
So pretty.
It is so pretty. Okay, should we swatch this one?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, it's a stick.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's pretty.
Can I try? Oh, see, I am so excited already. We have two full-size products, and blush and lip gloss, lip products, whatever, are some of my favorites. I'm really excited. This is turning into a really good bag. Okay, what else?
A brush.
Yay! I'm always happy to get a brush in my Ipsy just because I don't know, for some reason they're still exciting for me to buy, but I really like getting them in Ipsy. I don't know if it's Araceli or Araceli, but it is definitely a soft blending brush. No, this is nice. I will definitely try it out today. This is the Grande blending brush from Araceli. I don't know. We got a squeezy tube. This is something from Goldfaden, MD. This is their Hands to Heart Solution Anti-Aging and Brightening Hand Treatment with niacinamide. So this is not that exciting. It's a hand cream, a medicated hand cream. I have gotten so much hand cream in my Ipsy bags this winter, but I will eventually get to this one. Before we get to the item that Sakura is really excited about, before we get to it, we have to smell this, Sakura. Let's see if we like this item. So it does have a nice little seal on it. I appreciate when the items are sealed.
Yeah, but sometimes they go...
Yeah, so we're gonna try to avoid that.
Ooh, it smells like a watermelon. It smells like...
It's more of a thin cream. It's not super thick.
It smells like my great-grandma's house.
Interesting. I don't know. It's not super scented and it's not very thick, so this will be, you know, fine to use. So that's, you know, hand cream. What else?
Now the thing that's last. And it's beautiful. It's an eyeshadow.
Oh my goodness.
It's a Nude Shimmers.
Oryza?
Oryza?
Or Oryza?
Beauty.
Oryza Beauty. Ooh, it's a quad. It's a quad eyeshadow, and it looks like it's covered in plastic.
Oh, I didn't know. Yeah, it has plastic.
There. Okay. Okay.
It's so pretty.
It is a nude little quad, and this is obviously like a full-size item too, guys. We're getting a lot of awesome full-size stuff.
It says nude, shimmer, and
Contour.
Eyeshadow. So it's got 1 matte and 3 shimmers. It's so
all right, let's swatch it out. Let's swatch it. All right, there's the shades of my fingers.
And here are the shades swatched.
Okay, do.
Oh, how come yours swatched better than mine?
Maybe I just pushed a little harder when I didn't push really hard, but I think maybe you just went in really, really light when you put your fingers in
I
there.
got to touch it first.
So this is a super bronzy quad. I will be trying this out for you guys today. So we're going to be trying out some of these items for you. Sakura, of course, is most interested in trying out this stuff. So I'll let you try it on first, and then I'm also going to put it on too. My lips are feeling all cracked.
It actually smells like berries.
Yeah, it's super pretty. I just quick adjusted the light. Hopefully we got that weird shadow out of there. What do you think of the lip gloss?
It smells like berries, and it's still, wait, what was the?
It's called Berry and Juice.
Yeah, it smells like berry and juice.
And the color, Rose Currant. Oh yeah, it's super comfortable.
Yeah, it's like moisturizing.
Yeah, it's like a moisturizing, I think they call it a gel, right?
Yeah, I called it a gel.
Uh-huh. Oh, that is so nice. I love that. Okay, now I'm going to try on the rest of the stuff, which is not Sakura's favorite part. And so she's going to come back when I'm all done. All right, I really do like that lip gel. It is really comfortable, not at all sticky, just real smooth and pretty. Okay, so the first thing I want to try, I do have BB cream and stuff on. I just want to try the blush. Let's try the blush first. So once again, it was this one from Kaleido Cosmetics. And get this little bugger open. That's the color, and I had it swatched right there. So let me see, which brush shall I use? I have this one that's just a little bit stained, not terrible. And I'm always afraid the first time I use a blush, oh yeah, that's why it picked up a lot of pigment. We're gonna dust some of that off on my wrist. Having troubles with the light today. Oh boy. I would use the mirror in this blush, but I don't know if there's a film on there. I can't see the edge of where to pull it off, but it's extremely blurry. So I'm just gonna use my little ColourPop Going Coconuts palette. It is a pretty color and is a very shimmery blush. I can see that it may not be coming through for you guys, but for me, that is a shimmery blush. Shimmery blushes are not necessarily my favorite. I generally tend to shy away from products that add any more shine to my face than necessary. But on others, I've liked it, so it's very pretty. And that actually is really pretty. You just have to be careful, because it is pigmented. Okay, another little dab. Whew, dust it off. Now we'll try this side. You just have to be really careful. I tend to go more for blushes that I can layer so that I don't have to be so careful with. But this is very pretty. It definitely gives a rosy cheek look. I'm gonna mess around with the light real quick. I do not like what we have going on here. I'll be right back. Okay, there, just a little more natural light. Oh yes, that is so pretty. I do like that blush. Okay, so next, the next part is kind of scary for me. I get scared to try out eyeshadow on camera. Eyeshadow is one of those where I'm still kind of developing any skill with, so I'm scared. I'm just a little scared. And honestly, these bronze tones are very, very bronzy. I'm definitely gonna go for this bottom shade here, which was this one in the pan. But I should probably try and use the matte as well, just to try. It's kind of dark though. I do avoid using dark colors on my eyes just because I have definitely really, really hooded eyes. So you can see, in order to see my eyelids, I have to lift my eyebrows. And I'm always afraid dark colors are kind of close off my eyes, but I'm gonna try. This fluffy brush is actually a little too fluffy for my taste for applying eyeshadow. I have learned that with my eye shape, I need to use very precise brushes. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. You can see it's just kind of a flat brush. And I think I'm gonna take this darker shade and place it on just the outer corner and then use that Araceli brush to just kind of blend it up and in. So here's hoping that goes well. Oh, I just realized I forgot to put on eyeshadow primer. Shoot. Oh well. Use my fluffy brush and blend. I have found for me that small brushes are the way to go so that things don't get messy. This is definitely on the larger side, but I do use a brush like this for just really, you know, the sweeping kind of blending all over, but definitely nothing precision. All right, I like how that turned out. Well, let's do the other eye. Okay, you guys can definitely see how it is sticking to the spot of my eye, right there where my fold sits. I'm having a hard time getting it to not stick there, but I did forget to put on eyeshadow primer. Very irritating. We'll see if we can kind of blend that. I am not being very successful, actually, in getting that spot to not look patchy. It's getting a little bit better. All right, I'm unwilling to sit here and blend that for like 10 minutes to try and get that little patchy spot to look better. I'm gonna go in with the shimmer. And once again, I'm going to be using this shimmer down here, and I just like to use my finger actually with all shimmer shades. It's my preferred method. Ooh, it's very pretty. Yeah, that's really nice. Get a little more from my other eye. Oops, got a little messy. Okay, now I'm just gonna take that same Araceli brush that I was just kind of blending things and just kind of go around the whole outside again, just to make sure. Things always look much more patchy when my hood is relaxed. When I lift my eye, I'm always like, oh yeah, things are blended, and then things come down, I'm kind of like, ooh. You know. All right, for the most part, I like this. I'll have to try this again with eyeshadow primer to see if the matte is patchy again. But just like touching it and swatching it, I felt like it was really buttery and really nice. So that just might be it. I do tend to have oily eyelids, so sometimes things can kind of stick to a spot, kind of hold the pigment in. And looking at all of these, they are all pretty metallic, and looking at how it looks in my eye, it is a very metallic, pretty color. This is definitely the one that I would go for the most though. These are pretty intense, this one with the orange and this one more of a gold. So this one is definitely my favorite shimmer of or metallic of the bunch. But I like how it turned out. Now I'm just gonna throw on some mascara. I'm gonna use a mascara that came in another Ipsy bag a while back. This is the one from Deuce, the Boombastic Lash Volumizer Mascara. Oh man, I almost always manage to get mascara on my lid. No matter how careful I am, if it's a wet formula, it's bound to happen, which is why I often prefer a mascara once it started to dry out a little bit, or a mascara that's initially dry in the first place. This is a nice mascara. It's just a little wet. Yeah, look at that. I mean, goodness gracious, it looks really good. All right, you can see my little smear right there. Looks like I just have some bad eyeliner on, but you know, I'll leave that till it dries and I'll scrape it off. But let's talk a bit about what I think of these products. Obviously, I really, really enjoyed this bag. I'm gonna call Sakura back over. Okay, so Sakura, how do you think my makeup look turned out?
I think it looked good.
My eyeshadow? What do you think of my eyeshadow?
I like it.
It's very shiny? Yeah? So I do think it turned out quite pretty. I do prefer simple eyeshadow looks like this, and I think it'd be really easy to do with that little quad. Just perfect. And with the size of this is just perfect for travel. It doesn't have a mirror in it, but that's all right. That is a-okay. But I think that this particular bag, guys, we had 4 full-size items. The brush, the quad, the Seraphine Botanicals lip gel, and the blush. I am happy that we had 4 makeup items and only 1 skincare item, and this bag. It was really, really cute.
These ones were my favorite. The little quad.
Mm-hmm.
The lip gloss. And the brush.
Yeah. She's not that impressed with blush yet. But I think, oh, I didn't really say, I think that blush, I mean, I put on pretty lightly because I didn't want, you know, like super crazy blush look on, but I think it turned out really, really pretty. Hey there, Editing General here. I noticed that we never actually went through the prices, so I'm quick putting this in the video. So talking even just about the full-size products, I was really, really happy. The Seraphine Botanicals Berry Plus Juice 100% vegan lip gel in Rose Currant was $19. The Oryza Beauty Nude Shimmer and Contour Eyeshadow Palette, this is full size and it's $19.95. The Kaleido Causemetics Skin Blush in Primadonna is $8. The Araceli Beauty Grande Blending Brush is worth $14. And this is a deluxe sample of this Goldfaden MD Hands to Heart Anti-Aging and Brightening Hand Treatment. The full size of this is $38. This little sample is 20 mils, whereas the full size is 88 mils. So I'm just gonna add up the price of the full size stuff just to get an idea for this bag. So just the full-size items in this bag came to $60.95. That's not counting that deluxe sample of that hand cream. I think that is amazing for a $12 sample bag. I loved this bag. This was definitely one of my favorites in a really, really long time. Tell me if you guys got Ipsy. What did you get in your bag this month? I hope you liked it. Just let me know down below. Okay, now back to regular programming. All right, guys, thank you for joining us as we opened another Ipsy. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye!
Bye!